Hello everybody, I am Anurag Misra and in this video we shall study English of class 12 and this is the fourth part of the video and this chapter has been taken from Vistas and the name of the chapter is The Enemy, written by P.S. Buck. In the last three videos we have seen how Dr. Sadao and Hannah brought American soldiers home and how had they treated. So in this summary we shall study how did American soldiers manage to escape. So students, let me tell you that after the operation the American soldier who was Tom recovered very soon because he was very young and his recovery rate was incredible. But as the day passed, Hannah became more suspicious. Hannah became more worried. Why did she become worried? Because neighbors, servants who escaped, Hannah thought that they might go to the police and inform, and police might come anytime and they can be penalized. Even in Japan, those who do not support country may be punished by death. So Hannah was always afraid. It was in her brain that police may come anytime and they can shoot them. So when Dr. Sadao saw Hannah that she is too worried, he thought to remove this worry away. So he went to the general, the head of the police commissioner in Japan, and told everything because anytime when Hannah saw any policeman, she became too worried. So the general told, he told that he would send his assassins. Assassins are the person who kill anybody by taking money. So general told Dr. Sadao, go home. He would send assassins and they would finish the American soldiers in his home. Sadao came home and he was awake all night. He thought that assassins would come and they would shoot him. But in the morning he saw again the American soldier was fine. Next day also, third day also, and he was again here looking that Hannah was too worried. So he arranged a boat. He put some dry fruits, water, clothes on the boat and told the American soldiers, just go from here, go to, there is an island, stay there, some Korean ship will come, you will take a lift and you can go from this place. So American soldier was afraid. Was he going to kill him? But Dr. Sadao told, just go, you would stay there, you will get some fish also to eat, and if any problem you will just light a torch, I would help you. So American soldier took the boat, he went to the island and no signal came from there. So Dr. Sadao thought that he might have escaped from Korean ship. So students, this was the story and now we have to answer, was Dr. Sadao patriotic or not? I have given some question answer. Just attempt the question answer. I have given detailed summary for you. Go through the summary and at the end I have given some questions and answer. Attempt the questions. Any problem, just ask me. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.